Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a very special guest with us, the adorable Scottish cat. These cats are known for their unique characteristics, and we're gonna to share 8 of them with you. So let's dive right in. First of all, we'll be grateful to subscribe us and please turn on notification button to be notified of the next videos. Beautiful long fur. Scottish cats have a luxurious coat that is soft and fluffy. It's like having a living teddy bear right in your home. Playful nature. Scottish cats are quite active and love to play. They enjoy chasing toys, pouncing on things, and keeping themselves entertained. Curiosity. Scottish cats are incredibly curious creatures. They love exploring their surroundings and investigating every nook and cranny. Expect them to be your little adventurers. Affectionate personality. Scottish cats are known to be very affectionate and love to be close to their human companions. They enjoy cuddling and being petted, making them perfect lap cats. Observant nature. Scottish cats are known observers. They like to perch themselves on high places, watching everything that's happening around them. They have a natural curiosity about the world. Good nature with children and other pets. Scottish cats are generally friendly and get along well with children and other animals. They can be great companions for the whole family. Grooming needs. Scottish cats have long fur that requires regular grooming to keep it tangle-free and in good condition. Brushing their coat will help maintain its beauty and prevent matting. Love for comfort. Scottish cats appreciate comfortable spaces and cozy beds. They enjoy relaxing and napping in soft spots, creating a serene atmosphere in your home. Remember, if you are considering adding a Scottish cat to your family, be prepared for their playful, affectionate nature and make sure to give them the care and attention they deserve. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more adorable feline content. Take care and